Hello and welcome. Today we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind in the tech world, artificial intelligence and how it's completely reshaping the job of an IT system administrator. So let's get right to it.
Okay, this is the big one, isn't it? It's the question that fuels all the anxiety. Is a robot, is AI going to take my job? But what if that's not even the right question to be asking? Let's unpack what's really going on here and get past the hype to see what the future actually looks like.
So to figure out where we're all headed, we first have to get a really clear picture of where we are right now. And frankly, the traditional sysadmin role, it's being stretched to its absolute breaking point.
For years, a sysadmin's life was all about these core things, right? You were the person managing servers, keeping the network humming, locking down security, and just dealing with that never-ending stream of user support tickets. It was a very hands-on world of manual work and constant firefighting.
But that old model, it's just buckling under the pressure of what you could call a perfect storm. The demands on IT have completely changed. And the old way of doing things, well, it just can't keep up anymore.
And here are the major forces at play. First, you've got digital transformation, where the business needs to move at lightning speed. Then there's the massive shift to cloud computing, which has totally changed how and where we manage our infrastructure. And on top of all that, there's this huge push to automate everything, really, to be more efficient and cut costs. The old playbook, it's officially obsolete.
So when you're facing a storm like that, a new technology is showing up not as a threat, but as an absolutely essential partner. And this is where artificial intelligence walks onto the stage, offering a whole new way to run IT.
First, let's just get on the same page. When we talk about AI, we're talking about computer systems that can simulate human-like intelligence. This isn't some far-off sci-fi concept. It's about real-world stuff like learning from data, reasoning through problems, and even correcting its own mistakes along the way.
Now, if you dig just one layer deeper, you find machine learning, or ML. It's a key part of AI, and it's basically the engine that lets these systems get smarter all on their own, just by chewing through data. It can spot patterns and make predictions without a person having to hard code every single little rule.
So here's kind of how it all stacks up. You've got the big idea of AI at the very top. Then, machine learning is the practical application that's driving most of what we see in IT today. And deep learning is an even more advanced piece of that used for really complex jobs. The main thing to remember is that AI isn't just one thing. It's a whole toolkit of related technologies.
All right, so with that background, let's look at how this technology is kicking automation into overdrive and really changing the day-to-day work of an IT pro.
Let's start with a task that every single sysadmin knows and probably doesn't love: patch management. We all know it's absolutely critical for security, but man, it has always been a huge drain on time and energy.
Now look at this. The data shows that a process that could easily take 9 hours to do by hand, scanning for problems, rolling out patches, testing everything, can be crushed down to just 1 hour using AI-driven automation. That isn't just a little bit better. That fundamentally transforms your entire workday.
And it goes so far beyond just patching. In the world of cybersecurity, AI is a complete game changer. It's not about just reacting to attacks anymore. AI systems can spot and block bad stuff happening in real time, find security holes before hackers do, and even kick off the first response to an incident, saving you critical, precious time.
It's also about saving money. We all know how easy it is to accidentally overspend in the cloud. AI-powered tools can watch your usage patterns 24/7, and they'll pinpoint major savings. From finding oversized compute instances and forgotten storage to making your network traffic more efficient.
So, with AI taking over so much of that repetitive, manual stuff, the big question is, what's left for the human to do? And that brings us to what I think is the most important part of this whole conversation: the new human playbook.
This quote really just hits the nail on the head. It makes it so clear AI isn't here to automate your entire job away. It's here to automate the tedious tasks inside your job, which frees you up to do the things that humans are really good at.
What we're seeing is a huge evolution of the rule. The focus is shifting. It's moving away from turning the wrenches and more towards drawing up the blueprints.
So instead of installing one server, you're now planning the entire future of the infrastructure. Instead of just enforcing a security rule, you're the one developing the policy. It's a major shift from manual labor to strategic leadership.
Now, to make that jump, you're going to need a new set of skills. You'll need to be able to look at the data coming from these AI tools and actually understand it. You'll need scripting skills, like with Python or PowerShell, to customize things. You'll need a basic grasp of AI to work with the systems effectively. And, just as important are the soft skills. Being a great communicator and being adaptable are more valuable now than they have ever been.
All of this points to a new and, I think, really optimistic vision for the future of the IT professional. A future that is, without a doubt, AI-powered.
So let's just forget that whole human versus machine story. It's dramatic, but it's not the reality. The real opportunity, the real future, is human plus machine. AI is not your replacement. It is your single most powerful new collaborator.
This new partnership creates a whole new way to divide up the work. For a lot of the routine stuff, the AI can handle the heavy lifting, maybe even up to 75% of things like monitoring, basic troubleshooting, and setup. This frees up a massive amount of your time. You're no longer stuck down in the weeds. You get to be the one overseeing the whole garden.
So what's the big takeaway from all this? Well, it really boils down to three key things. First, you've got to embrace AI as a partner, not an enemy. Second, you have to proactively focus on upskilling and learning those new skills we talked about. And third, you have to commit to always be learning. This technology is not going to stand still, and neither can we.
And that really just leaves us with one final and, I think, pretty crucial question. AI is constantly learning, it's adapting, it's evolving. The only real question left on the table is, are you